Hi everyone, Vineet this side, your Excel buddy. So today I will teach you my part 2 lecture about the dynamic maps. So in last lecture we learned about the simple view of the maps, like how we can show the data geographically, like country wise or state wise, regarding a specific country, but how we can use this dynamically. Suppose we have to show some separate regions, like we have 7 continents. I have mentioned here in the A column, you can see. So these are the continents, and suppose we have countries and we have population, and we want to show based on the continents. So how we can show it? So in this video I will show you this. So let's get started. Okay, so first what we have to do, so if I have to show this data as it dynamically, so we have to do some filter function here, and we have to use data validations here also. So if you guys haven't watched my previous video about data validation, so I will update my link over the top of the screen, so you can get it from here also. So let's get started. So what we will do, so first I will create a tab. Okay, so suppose I am created a tab here. Okay, so I will mention, suppose, which region. Okay, so I have created it here, and I will put a data validation here. Okay, so before it, what I have to do, I will put the data validation based on the region. So I will copy this data here and I will paste it here. Okay, and now I will remove the duplicates. So how it can be done, I will select these continent, I will go to data, and I will click this remove duplicates. So it has removed the duplicate values, so it is here. And then again I will put it as A to Z. Okay, so I have done it as an alphabetical order, and now I will put the data validation here. So how it can be done, so here I will click here, I will go to data tab, and I will click here on the validations. Okay, and now it is as an any value, but I will put list here, and I will click on the source, and this is my source. I will click OK, and that's it. So now you can see here I have the regions here. Okay, like Australia, Europe, North America. So this is one work which is done. Okay, another thing what I will do, I will copy this here, because I have to put filter formula here. Okay, so before doing it, what I will do, I have to do some comparison, so I can put it in the my filter formula. So what I will do, so I will compare the region with the countries. Okay, so how it can be done, so I will put equals to, I will select this region A4, and it should be compared with this. Okay, and uh, I will put dollar sign, so I can freeze this column, it won't move. So I will click. Okay, so I have turned it. Now if you see here, if I select Asia, it will move here. So it is showing, yeah, Asia continent, India is true, Malaysia is true, Pakistan is true, but for another it will show false. If I move it to Australia, only Australia will show true, because yes, Australia is in Australia continent. Okay, so now before we start with the filter formula, guys, if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe. There is a top bottom button on the right side, please subscribe my videos also. So now we will put filter formula here, so either you can put equals to, or you can click here also in fx. Okay, but I will do from here only. So let me do it from here. Okay, you will click here, it is asking what you want, so I want filter. Okay, I will click OK. So what is the array I want, so I want this array. Now it is asking what you want to in includes an array of booleans where true represent a row of a certain. Yes, I want this also here. And this, it is empty, it is not required. So I will click OK. So now you see true values are like whatever I will put here, it will come here. Okay. So if I'm clicking here, it will be here. Europe, I am clicking. So it is showing France and Germany. Okay. So now what we will do? So now we will plot our graph. I will select this data, go to insert, and same I will click on the maps. So now you see here. So if I'm clicking on Europe, it is showing Europe here. Okay. Um, you can see, let me highlight this with some other, sorry, with this color so you can see. Okay, if I click Asia, see, it is showing all the neighboring countries. Okay, Pakistan, India, these things. If I click North America, it will go to North America. It is showing American maps here. So now I click Australia. Okay, so see, it is showing Australia only. So isn't it dynamically very good? Like suppose you have 200 countries and somebody asks you like in which continent, what it is. So you can easily show them. So this is how you can use maps dynamically. Okay, so that's it for today, and keep watching my videos, and guys please share my videos also, so more and more people can learn about the Excel and the tricks. So thanks everyone, thanks for watching.